are going to be installing these test pipes on the NSX. These are the top speed test pipe cat delete. The car has a Comtech exhaust already. It actually sounds pretty good, but I want it just a little bit louder. And one of my friends with a NSX has these test pipes, and we are going to be deleting this cat here, this cat here. So let's get to it. I already put the car on the lift, and see how this thing sounds. Had to take a quick break. I had to run to the parts store to get some PB blaster, some peanut butter blaster. So I'm gonna spray down these bolts that are hard to get loose and get back to it. But we're almost done. We're getting there. Ah, it's out. Finally. Before I get any further into this, I just want to kind of show a comparison of what we're doing here. So this is the factory catalytic converter that came on the car. So it's a bit old. And like I said, you know, this will hopefully help with some power gains. It'll definitely make the car sound way better. So let's get that other one out and put these in. All right, both of them are out. I cut my finger in the process, so yeah, that kind of hurts, but we got them out. That's all that matters. So I'm gonna show you guys where they kind of go. So we have one pipe that comes from here to here. Then the other one goes from here to here. So it wasn't too bad to get out. The only thing was the car is just old. So the bolts and stuff were kind of like, you know, from getting heated up and stuff. So it was just a little tough, but we're almost done. All right, we are finished. Got the pipe on there, everything's tightened. Let's do first start. All right, first start, here we go. Okay, not too bad. You can definitely tell there's a difference. It definitely sounds a little bit louder on a cold start, but I'm gonna let it warm up, clean up, and let's go for a ride. This mount is not good, so you guys are a little shaky. Oh my god, it does sound better. That's nice. That's real nice. All right, here we're on. Do a pull on the highway here. Sounds good. Oh, yo, that sounds sick. It's not like super, so it's not like super like loud. Like I didn't want it to be really, really loud, but this just made it sound that much better. Didn't make the car like ridiculously loud. It just has that perfect pitch and tone an NSX should have. So, yo, I just can't get over it. It got dark out quick today, so I wasn't able to get any outside sound clips of the car. And it's supposed to be raining for the next few days, so I only got one clip of me leaving my restaurant, and I'll add that at the end of the video. But if you guys want to stick around, I plan on doing some POV mountain driving with this car with the 360 camera, some GoPros, and some sound clips. So definitely stick around for that. I appreciate you guys watching this far. If you want to see some more of this car, just subscribe to the channel.